there a unified inbox for creators? One place where every comment and DM actually lands? Yes. You're looking at mine right now. Every account I run, one screen, one thread per person. The honest catch is that most tools promising this were built for social media teams with team budgets. So let me show you the creator version. Here's the morning that this replaces. You post, then you make the rounds. One app for the comments on your videos, another for your DMs, a third that you only open when your badge count gets embarrassing. Every tab holds 3 conversations that you started and then lost. And the worst part isn't the time. It's that you start dreading your own audience, which is a strange thing to feel about the people funding your career. The dread is the actual problem this solves. This is Better Reply. The inbox pulls in comments from YouTube and Threads, DMs and comments from Instagram and Facebook, LinkedIn messages, and on the higher plans, you can connect your Gmail and your Outlook as well. One inbox list with your newest messages first. And the part that I care about most, if the same fan comments on a video and then DMs you, that's one thread with their name on it, not 2 conversations in 2 different tabs. You answer everything from here, and each reply goes back out to the platform that it came from. A comment gets a public reply, a DM gets a DM. You stop thinking about which app you are in. Now the fair part. Hootsuite, Sprout Social, Agora Pulse, these are all real unified inboxes, and they've been at it for years. If you run a brand on a social team, one of them is probably the right call. They're also priced like it. This is a live pricing page today. Read the monthly numbers and notice it's per seat. If a company is paying, that math works. If it's just you, it's a lot of software you'll never touch wrapped around the one feature you wanted. The other difference is what happens after messages land. The AI here drafts replies in your voice, learned from how you already answer people. And every time you edit a draft before sending, the next one sounds a little more like you typed it. A quick rule for whether you need this at all. Count the places where a person can message you about your work. If it's just 1 or 2, close this video, you're fine. If you have 3 or more and every one of them has someone waiting in it right now, that wait costs you people. An inbox is cheaper than an audience. If you want to try the creator version, the link's in the description. 7 days on your own accounts, free. It also posts and schedules everywhere from the same screen, but that's its own video. I'm at betterreply.com.